Introducing KnowIT Password Manager, removing the #1 reason for data breaches. Did you know that in today's corporate world, one of the biggest threats that companies face is the risk of a data breach? Now, while you may think that these breaches are the work of sophisticated hackers, the reality is that 70% of these breaches are caused by humans having to remember multiple complex passwords. Studies show that the average person has 19 passwords to manage, and because of this, the average person will reuse a password multiple times, create many simple passwords, store passwords in an unsecure location such as a text file or the back of their keyboards. Data breaches can be prevented with smart password management. Now, this is where the password system is centralized and employees don't have to remember or create usernames and passwords for every company resource that they use in their job. KnowIT Password Manager removes the human element of employees having to remember multiple passwords by allowing them to use their fingerprint to log in instead. Access to protected company resources is restricted to only approved employees. Employee credentials are stored securely in the hands of the company in a central location from which they can set up a strong password for all their employees. To get started with KnowIT Password Manager, administrators must make sure that they have installed a fingerprint scanner onto all of the company's computers. They must also install KnowIT onto all the employees' computers as well. And finally, they must install KnowIT Password Manager on their own computer. This will be used to set up access to protected company resources for all employees. Employees can be easily added using Active Directory to create an employee database. The employees in this database can be assigned to departments to match the company's structure. Every employee in the employee database must have their fingerprint scanned by the administrator. The company resources that are to be protected are added next. This can be any website or application that the company wants to control access to. Finally, every employee will have their own list of protected company resources assigned to them that only they have access to. In order for an employee to be able to access the protected company resources assigned to them, they must first be logged into a computer using their own user account. Whenever they try to access a protected company resource, they will be asked to scan their fingerprint. After their fingerprint is scanned, they will automatically be logged in. Usernames and passwords for all employees are kept in a centralized location, thanks to KnowIT Password Manager. This provides companies with multi-layer protection against data breaches. If you found this video useful, we would be delighted if you could let us know by clicking the like button. If you have any suggestions as to how to make this video better, please send us your comment by clicking here.